There's nothing quite like the ease and flavor of cooking over a propane grill. It's a simple, dependable shortcut to great meals. Whether you're flipping burgers for a weeknight dinner or hosting a weekend cookout. While propane grills may not be the flashiest tool in your backyard, they've earned their place as a must-have for home cooks and barbecue lovers alike. In this video, we'll cover the top 6 propane grills, each with its own strengths, quirks, and reasons to consider. Links to all the grills we mentioned can be found in the description below. Let's get started. Number 6. Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Grill. If you're looking for a grill that travels as easily as you do, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 is a smart choice. This portable propane grill is designed with campers, tailgaters, and small space grillers in mind, delivering solid performance in a compact portable package. It offers up to 20,000 BTUs of cooking power spread over 3 independently adjustable burners, giving you control over multiple heat zones. The total cooking area comes in at 285 square inches, enough for a modest meal, but clearly not built for feeding a big crowd. One standout feature here is the swappable cooktop system. You can easily swap out the standard grill grates for a griddle or stove grate, which makes it versatile enough to handle breakfast, lunch, and dinner without additional gear. The build feels sturdy for something so compact. The legs fold up neatly and built-in wheels make it easy to roll into place. It's rugged enough to handle life outdoors, yet light enough to pack up and store without much effort. Using the grill is straightforward thanks to a reliable push-button ignition and separate control knobs for each burner, which allow you to fine-tune your cooking. It sets up quickly and packs down just as easily, which is ideal when you're on the go. Its biggest strengths are its portability and versatility. It gives you a lot of options without taking up much space or sacrificing too much power. The trade-off, of course, is the relatively small surface area, so it's not the best option if you regularly cook for large groups. Overall, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 strikes a nice balance between convenience and performance, making it an excellent companion for anyone who likes to grill wherever they are. Number 5. Weber Q1200 Portable Propane Grill. For solo grillers or couples who value durability and simplicity, the Weber Q1200 is a strong contender. Compact enough to fit on a balcony or take on the road, yet sturdy enough to last for years, this little grill has built quite a reputation among those who want reliable performance in a small package. The Weber Q1200 delivers 8,500 BTUs of power through a single stainless steel burner, which heats up its 189 square inches of cooking space evenly. While that surface area isn't designed for big gatherings, it's just right for a few burgers, a couple of steaks, or even some vegetables on the side. The cast iron grates are coated in porcelain enamel, which not only helps retain heat, but also resists rust and cleans up easily. The compact design includes 2 side tables that fold out when you need them and tuck away when you don't. Despite its smaller size, it feels exceptionally solid. The lid and body are made of cast aluminum, which keeps it lightweight yet robust. The ceramic-coated grates are thick and substantial, contributing to the grill's long lifespan and ability to produce satisfying sear marks. Starting the grill is hassle-free thanks to its push-button ignition, and it maintains steady, predictable heat throughout your cooking session. It's an excellent choice for quick meals without fuss, and it's just as comfortable on a picnic table as it is on a patio. Its greatest strength lies in its simplicity and reliability. There's little to go wrong and doesn't require much maintenance. The biggest limitation is its small cooking area and single heat zone, which means you can't cook different foods at different temperatures at the same time. All in all, the Weber Q1200 is a dependable travel-size grill that holds up well over time and remains a favorite among those who don't eat anything more than the basics done right. Number 4. Weber Spirit E210. For anyone looking to step into the world of full-size propane grills without overwhelming their patio or budget, the Weber Spirit E210 is a solid entry point. It offers the feel and features of a larger grill while keeping its footprint manageable, perfect for patios, decks, or smaller outdoor spaces. This model provides 26,500 BTUs of total power distributed across 2 burners, which heat a 360 square inch primary cooking area. There's also a 90 square inch warming rack above, giving you room to toast buns or keep cooked food warm while you finish grilling the rest. The grates are made from heavy-duty cast iron coated in porcelain enamel, which helps them hold heat evenly and makes cleanup much easier. Weber's signature flavorizer bars sit below the grates to help distribute heat and vaporize drippings, adding smoky flavor to your food while reducing flare-ups. The Spirit E210 also comes with a built-in thermometer in the lid, and the fold-down side tables give you prep space when you need it, but tuck away to save room when you don't. The black porcelain enamel finish looks sharp and is designed to withstand years of use and weather exposure. Lighting the burners is easy with a reliable ignition, and the two-zone cooking capability allows you to sear on one side while keeping things low and slow on the other. Heat distribution is even, and it holds temperature well. This grill's biggest strength is that it delivers a genuine full-size grilling experience without eating up your entire outdoor area. That said, the two-burner layout does limit its capacity, so it may not be the best choice for hosting big backyard parties. For beginners or anyone with limited space who still wants a quality, dependable grill, the Weber Spirit E210 is an excellent choice. Number 3. Monument Grill's 4-burner propane gas grill. If you want a full-size grill that feels loaded with features yet stays reasonably priced, the Monument Grill's 4-burner model is worth a look. With generous cooking space and thoughtful details, it's designed for anyone who needs to feed a crowd without feeling cramped at the grill. This grill is powered by 4 stainless steel burners that deliver a total of 60,000 BTUs, giving you plenty of heat and flexibility for different cooking zones. The total cooking area comes to 683 square inches, including a warming rack. More than enough for burgers, steaks, vegetables, and even a few sides all at once. It even has a side burner, perfect for heating sauces or simmering extras while your main dishes cook. One standout feature is the clear view glass window in the lid, letting you check on your food without constantly lifting the lid and losing heat. The LED lit control knobs are another nice touch, making nighttime grilling much more manageable and stylish at the same time. The build quality feels sturdy with a modern stainless steel construction that holds up well and looks good on any patio. Despite the reasonable price point, it doesn't feel flimsy or rushed. The lid, shelves, and burners all feel solid. It's spacious and versatile, easy to clean, and straightforward to operate. You'll appreciate having multiple burners for creating distinct heat zones, which is especially useful if you like to cook a variety of foods at once. The trade-off here is its size. It does take up a fair amount of space and isn't ideal for small patios or balconies. Still, the Monument Grill's 4-burner shines as a feature-rich, affordable crowd pleaser, offering impressive flexibility and plenty of room to cook without stretching your budget too far. Number 2. Weber Spirit E310. For families or anyone who grills often and needs reliable performance with plenty of space, the Weber Spirit E310 has earned its place as a perennial favorite. It strikes a good balance between size, features, and durability, making it a dependable choice for years of regular use. This grill delivers 32,000 BTUs of heat through 3 stainless steel burners, which power a 529 square inch cooking area. That's ample room for family meals or small parties, letting you handle a variety of foods at the same time. The grates are porcelain-coated cast iron, designed to retain heat well while resisting rust. Below the grates are Weber's signature flavorizer bars, which add smoky flavor and help prevent flare-ups by vaporizing drippings. Other thoughtful features include a built-in thermometer on the lid, an open cart design that offers extra storage space, and 2 foldable side tables for prepping and serving. It's a clean, efficient layout that's easy to work with and doesn't feel cluttered. Build quality is one of the Spirit E310's strongest points. The materials are weather-resistant and designed to last, even if the grill lives outside year-round. The lid and body feel solid, and the overall construction is clearly made with longevity in mind. The usability of this model is excellent. With 3 independent burners, you can set up different heat zones for searing, roasting, or keeping food warm. The ignition is dependable and the heat distribution is even, so you're not constantly shifting food around to avoid cold spots. Its main limitation is that it's not as spacious or feature-packed as higher-end models. For larger parties or advanced techniques, you may outgrow it eventually. But as an all-around grill that combines reliability, size, and ease of use, the Weber Spirit E310 remains one of the best choices out there for families and frequent grillers alike. Number 1. Weber Genesis E325. For serious outdoor cooks who want the best combination of performance, space, and durability, the Weber Genesis E325 stands out as a top-of-the-line option. Designed for those who take grilling seriously, it offers professional-level results with thoughtful touches that make every cookout easier and more enjoyable. This grill delivers 39,000 BTUs from its 3 main burners, plus an additional sear station burner for achieving perfect grill marks and locking in juices. Altogether, you get an impressive 787 square inches of total cooking area, roomy enough to handle a full feast for family and friends without feeling cramped. Whether you're searing steaks, slow-roasting chicken, or grilling vegetables all at once, there's plenty of space to work with. Weber has refined their flavorizer bars in this model to improve heat distribution and smoke infusion, while minimizing flare-ups. The Genesis E325 also comes with an extra-large prep and serving table, so you always have space for trays, plates, and tools. And for those who enjoy integrating tech into their cooking, this model is compatible with Weber's Smart Grill technology, allowing you to monitor temperatures and receive notifications on your phone. The build quality is premium across the board. With a sleek, modern design, solid construction, and excellent heat retention, it feels like a professional-grade piece of equipment that's built to last. Usability is where it shines even more. The powerful sear station makes it easy to deliver restaurant-quality steaks, and the generous cooking surface and stable design let you focus on cooking instead of fussing with the equipment. Its main drawbacks are its size. It takes up considerable patio space, and its higher price point, which reflects its professional-grade build and features. For anyone who values both performance and longevity and is ready to invest in a grill that will serve them well for years to come, the Weber Genesis E325 is hard to beat. Thanks for sticking with us through our roundup of the top 6 propane grills. As you decide which one fits you best, think about the kind of griller you are, whether you need something portable, full-size, or ready for frequent use. Check the links in the description for more details and pricing. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss future updates.